Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And today if we see markets taking support from lower levels, and that's why I said you should not take a short position at lower levels. We'll wait for a pullback and then we will think about taking a short position. And if you see markets recovering very good from here, right? If you would have taken a short position today at the open, you would have made good money from here also. And same thing with Nifty also, if you see, pretty good money could have been made over here. But yes, I did say that you should not take a short position over here. And if you didn't take a short position, that is all right, right? Anyways, what can we do for tomorrow? It's going to be very simple. Now, I'm going to show you one point which is very, very important and which is very interesting also. Now, in a day where market saw such a good momentum on the upside, you should see the monthly option chain in Nifty, right? If you see on this day also where things were pretty bullish, right, there was a very very big good green candle also, and market saw very good recovery, right? But still, if you see the put options that people had wrote, they were exiting their short positions, and if you see, that's why the OI has actually decreased from most of the put options, right? In a day, in a bullish day like this, you would expect people to write more put options, right? But people have rather exited their put options. Look at the basically the round number strikes over here: 21,800, 900, 700, 22,000. And don't look at the OTM strike, but look at the ITM strike, because these are the more important strikes which will tell you about the direction. And if you see, most of the strikes have seen actually put OI unwinding, right? Which is very very interesting, which tells us that people are actually using this bounce as an exit from their put short positions, right? And same thing over here, when the market even went up over here, a lot of people have actually written calls, right? If you see, a lot of people have written calls over here. This is a little bit too far away, and that's why we are seeing a little bit of short covering from those calls. But close to money calls like 22,000, 21,900, 21,800, 21,700, all of these have seen very good OI built up, right? 22,200, just look at this, 16% OI increment, and you would expect actually the call unwinding, right? Call OI unwinding, expecting that people will leave their call short positions. But actually the opposite has happened in Nifty over here, and same thing in Bank Nifty also. If you see Bank Nifty also, if you see, basically except after 48,000, yes, if you see on 48,000 we have seen some OI built up, but just 5%, right? And after that we see 48 everywhere. If you see red, right, almost all strikes have seen put option and put OI unwinding. And in call side, if you see, many options, many people have wrote call options. Yes, it is not up to a very very big extent, but if you see 47,500 see 15% increment, right? 47,000 see 9% increment. And this is a very interesting point that we can see in today's market, is that even when the market is going up, people are still making bearish bets on the market. So what is the market going to do from here? Now, if this is a trap, market will go above the levels that I had told you in the weekly analysis. For Nifty, it was 22,200. Oh, sorry, 22,300 to 22,250, and for Bank Nifty, it was this level, right? 48,250 to 48,050, right? I said 48,000 to 48,200, but 50 points is not a big deal, right? This area, if market goes above this area, then it will be confirmed that this is a reversal, and market could again go to all time high very fast from here, right? And same thing for Nifty also. If Nifty goes above here, then chances are we will see 23,000. Basically, we will again go to the top of this channel over here, right? So if the market has to go up from here, market will sustain near this area itself, right? Market will not go down very fast. But if the market has to go down, what will happen is that I'll open the 15-minute chart and show you guys what exactly can happen over here. Is that what will happen is that market will go up from here, right? And then the market will again take resistance and start to come down very fast from there, and this will be a very very fast momentum. Please keep it in mind, right? But if the market does not want to go down, market, even if it comes down, it will again see buying over here, and it will try to sustain in this area, and then it will break out afterwards, right? So I hope you guys understand the plan that we are looking out for here is that if the market sustains this low over here for a few days, right? Maybe 2 or 3 days, that is more than enough. Then we can expect a very, very good recovery and possibly a reversal in the trend over here. But if the market has to go I'm sorry, if the market has to go short from here, market will go up tomorrow itself in this area, take very good resistance and close with a close at the day low over here, right? If not the day low, at the lower end of the range of tomorrow's range, right? Same thing with nifty also. If nifty goes up near 22,250 to 300 area, market will take resistance from there and it will start to come down, right? But it is sure that market most probably will take resistance from there, but the important point is, does the market close at lower levels after taking a resistance? If the market closes at lower levels after taking a resistance, right, somewhere near, let's say, again comes down to day low, then chances are that market is again going to move down, at least go and retest this low, and after that maybe take support from here, or again go down to make a new low, right? And tomorrow also we will need to look at the OI data very closely, right? The next 1 or 2 days will be very important in terms of the OI data. Now, in the whole FNO data that comes out, FI as a pros have actually covered their short positions, and client have actually unwinded their long positions. Now, that data indicates that there could be short covering in the market. So we don't really know where exactly the market is going to go. Now we have levels on our side. As I said, on the upside 22,300 to 250. This will be the level where you can think about taking one bet on the short side, right? If this bet goes wrong, then we will think about going bullish only from here. But we can think about taking at least one bet from this area in Bank Nifty. 48,250 to 48,050 in this area is where we will think about taking a short bet in Bank Nifty, right? At least once, right? Not many times, because if the market has to really go down from here, it will not take a lot of time after coming near this zone. It will go down very fast from here, and so you will not really you will not really have to put a very big stop loss also, right? But until then, there is still a little bit of space left for the market on the upside. So what you guys can do for tomorrow, if we open flat and if we are sustaining about 22,080 tomorrow, right? If we are sustaining about 22,080, and then if you are crossing 22,130, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. Your first target will be 22,180 on the upside, which will be a small target, but then the second target you can easily keep 22,230 on the upside, right? I'm booking our profits a little bit before this zone comes, just to be a little safe, right? Because from here maybe volatility might start and you might not get your target as fast if you would keep it somewhere near 20,280 or 300 Aussie levels, right? So tomorrow if you open flat, right, a little bit of gap down would be very good, somewhere near 20,090, or even if you open flat and start crossing 20,130, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. Your first target will be 20,180, which will be a small target, and then you can keep the second target at 20,230 to 220, right? If we open with a gap down again, right? Now, if we open with a gap down, things will be a little bit volatile, because there is a very, very good support of 20,960 to 950 over here, 940 to 960 over here, where the market can take support and again start to move. Because if the short covering is happening, which the FNO data is telling us that the short covering is happening, right? Although the option chain data is telling us that new shorts are being made in the market, but the FNO data is telling that the short covering is happening, right? So if short covering has to happen, market will take a little bit of support from here again and start to go up from here. So if the market comes near 21,960 to 940 to 930, right, in this range basically, and if the market has started to make positive price action from here, you guys can think about taking a bullish trade again from here with a target of 20,100 first of all, and then the second target of 22,200 on the upside. Now, why am I saying so is because even if the market has to go down, market could take a little bit of bounce from here, go up and then come down from there. I don't think the market will go down like straight from here, because already there has been a V-shaped recovery. Now you cannot expect another sharp fall from here itself. So market will need to make some price action to lure all the buyers into the market and then fall down, right? So at lower levels, I think tomorrow also we can think about taking a short trade if somehow this level breaks, right? If we sustain below 22,930 930, right? Then once we see negative price action being made below this level, you can go ahead and think about taking a short position over here. Your target will be basically this low, 21,830, right? Now you can expect 21,800 also, but it is better to book near 21,830. You can maybe keep some quantity till 21,800, because I feel like market will again take a little bit of support from here and then start to move up, right? Because even if the market has to go down, I think best range for the market to go down will be first going up till our zone, or at least near our zone, and then starting to move down, right? So I hope that is very clear. Talking about Bank Nifty, if you see, Bank Nifty also has a very good support near 47,400, right? 47,400 and then 47,200. These are the two supports near Bank Nifty. Now Bank Nifty is much farther away from its support as compared to Nifty, right? So 47,400 is the closest support, and I think the better support that needs to look out for 47,400 to 350. If market comes near this zone, which also coincides with the trend line over here, and if the market starts to make very good price action in 5-minute chart higher highs, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. Or if market makes a very good green candle in 15-minute chart, right? Maybe something like this, or maybe something like this, right? Any sort of a very bullish candle, if the market makes near this area, you can think about taking a bullish position again from here. Your first target will be 47,800, and then the second target will be 48,000 on the upside, because I am expecting that even if you open with a little bit of gap down, I think we will again see a little bit of I'm sorry, we can again see a little bit of recovery from here till 48,000 at least. And if we break 47,200 and start sustaining below it and make negative price action, then you can think about taking a short position from here till the target of 46,800 now. Because if you see, there is a good support over here, so chances are market will again become volatile after we reach 46,800, right? If we open with a gap up, which I didn't talk about in Nifty also, if you open with a gap up somewhere near 48,000, then we need to be very cautious, right? Then we need to see, is the market first coming down or is the market first going up? If the market is going up somewhere near 48,200, then best thing would be to take a short position over here, because as I said, it's we will we will at least try once to take a short position from this zone. If the market then dumps very fast from here, very good for us. If the market takes a stop loss, no problem. We are okay with giving a single stop loss. Same thing with Nifty also. If we open with a gap up somewhere near 21,000, 22,000, let's say 150, 180, 22,200, then we need to be very cautious in this area and look for Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is much closer near its, much closer to its, basically, if Bank Nifty will move down, it will move down faster as compared to Nifty, because there are sectors in Nifty like the auto sector. Yes, today Tata Motors was very much down, but still, if you see, other stocks in Nifty are supporting Nifty, but in Bank Nifty, if our HDFC Bank gets negative, right? Because if you see, HDFC Bank is still in an area where it can continue to make a new low. Now, yes, it has made again a red candle, a green, very good green candle over here, but still, if you see, it is in a downtrend over here. So it can maybe take a little bit of pullback and start to move down, right? But if you see, as compared to TCS is looking like is trying to make a higher high pattern over here. So it will be better to short Bank Nifty as compared to Nifty, because Bank Nifty has a much better setup in my opinion as compared to Nifty, right? For Nifty, things are a bit far away, but still, yes, if we open with a gap up, it will be better to be cautious and we will not take a buy over there. If we open with a gap up, we will not think about taking a buying position over there. Let's say if we open with a gap up somewhere near 22,200, which is not up till our zone, and then we see very big red candles being made, then we can think about taking a short position. But best thing would be to wait for proper price action in 5-minute chart, and then only go ahead and take a short position over there, right? But let's say in Bank Nifty also, if you open at 48,000, right, and then we make very big red candle and then continue to move down from here, then we can think about making a short position and not wait for our zone, because maybe the people who would want to make a short position, they would think that okay, this is a good enough enough point for us to start making short positions, and so they might start to make short positions. So tomorrow after opening, let's say we do not open near our zone over here, and we open a little bit below that itself, and we start seeing very sharp selling, something like this, then you can think about taking a short position before our zone comes itself, once you see negative price action being made in the market. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and the next few days will be very important for the market to decide either is this the bottom that has been made for the markets, is the selling over, or are we going to see one more new low in the market uh, before the elections come, right? So again, stay tuned, watch every day's video, and every day I'll do the analysis of the data and stuff and tell you guys what exactly the market is trying to do. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in the video. Bye bye.